guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming a video that's a little bit different than what I normally do. I'm sitting in the hotel bathroom, so I'm sorry if it's echoey. I'll try to combat that as much as I can. But I am here to film a get ready with me for the Rockettes Christmas show. So if you guys haven't been following along this past week, my mom and I are in New York for her 50th birthday. And we've been vlogging every single day. We've been showing you all the fun things we're doing. It's been so fun. And today, this early afternoon, we're gonna go see the Rockettes Christmas show. So I'm gonna get ready and I'm gonna take you guys with me, get ready with me. I thought it'd be super fun. And then in a vlog, I'll show our whole day as well. I'm going to dampen my beauty blender and we'll get started. Okay, hair's up. First thing, I'm going to moisturize because it's a lot drier here in New York than where I live. So I'm using my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. And this is my holy grail product. I don't think I would live without it. I've had 9 of these bottles. They're amazing. To get started, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Dream Liquid Mousse in the shade 30 Natural Ivory. And this is a little too light for me, but it works because I have that pinky skin tone. So I'm using that. Then I'm going to mix a tiny bit of my CoverGirl BB cream in medium to dark, just seriously a little bit, so I can mix it and get a little bit darker just because it's kind of snowy outside. I don't want to look washed out. So I'm going to mix that together. Just apply it with my fingers and then we'll go in with a beauty blender. Okay, then I'm going in with my ELS sealer. And this is in the shade Fair. So I'm just going to make a V under my eyes and down onto my cheeks to kind of highlight it a little bit. Okay, then I'm going in with my ELF setting powder. This is just the translucent one. And taking my damp beauty blender, dipping it in here, and I'm gonna bake my under eyes. Okay, while that bakes, I'm gonna take the rest of it and just do my jawline. Now we're gonna move on to eyes. So I brought my tried and true Carly Bible palette from BH Cosmetics. And I'm gonna use the colors that I obviously use the most. So this medium taupe, this one, and then this gold. And I'll highlight with that. So I'm gonna go in with the taupe, just in my crease. I found that no matter what hair color I have, as long as I put a medium brownish bronzy in my crease, I look so ready and awake and not washed out or anything. I'm gonna take that same fluffy brush from IT Cosmetics and go into this gold and then this shimmery champagne color. I'm gonna mix the two and put it right on my lid. And then I'm gonna take this smudging side of the brush. I'm gonna go into this white and get that right in the corner. And I'm gonna take the fluffy side again. And this isn't dark enough for me, so I'm gonna take this brown and also go back in with this and a teeny bit of this brown over here just to darken it up in my corners. Much better. Okay. Then I'm gonna wipe away the setting powder under my eyes. Blend it all in. Then I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Line Stiletto Liquid Eyeliner in black. Okay, eyeliner is done. Now I'm gonna go in with my bronzer and my highlight. I'm not gonna do anything too crazy like contour wise, but just so I have some definition. This is my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I love it. This is in, I think I only have the one shade. I got it at Ulta. It smells so good, and it's vegan, and it's amazing. I do it right at the hollows of my cheeks, and then just naturally wherever the sun would hit my face, like my temples, top of my forehead, tips of my nose, and under my chin, just where anything should be a little highlighted. And then I take a big fluffy brush and just go down my neck, just so it all blends, and then take it, blend it all out. Teeny bit to contour your nose. Okay. Okay, then I'm going in with my Real Techniques highlighting brush, again into my Carly Bible palette, and I'm gonna take the two lightest shades of highlight, this one obviously, and then a little bit of this one, and just highlight tops of my cheeks, right by my eyebrows, down my nose, Cupid's bow, underneath. Perfect. Okay, now my favorite part is eyebrows and mascara. So I have this brush from Estee Lauder, and it's just a angled thick brush on this side and then a smudging brush on this side. So I'm going to take that angled brush and my ELF paint pot, and I'm going to go in and shape underneath my eyebrow and just follow the shape of it, extend the little tail, and then since I have an angled brush that already has product, I just push up in that same motion. So still in the angle, but I just push up, get the color in it, do it to the same side, and then I'll brush through it with a spoolie. Perfect. Then I'm going in finally with my Maybelline Mega Plush Volume Mascara. This takes me a couple minutes usually because I love big eyelashes but don't want to pay for false ones. So I just do a lot of mascara, let it dry, not to its full like dryness because that'll cause separation, but just let it not be so damp, and then keep building it up. Better. All right, and as that kind of sets a little bit for me to do the rest of it, I'm going to section off my hair so I can start curling it, and I do this in pretty big sections and don't do it perfectly, so you guys all know how to curl hair, so I will show you a couple of pieces and then I'll finish it off camera. But I always go away from my face, and generally I don't alternate. I usually go all the same way just because when it sets and dries and then starts to kind of fall out, at least they all kind of fall together and doesn't look too crazy, especially on my hair. So I take pretty like medium-sized sections, just curl, hold for a couple seconds, hold it in my hand for a little bit so it sets. I personally like tighter curls because I have a little bit longer than shoulder length hair. I like when they are set like this because they will fall out. So a more ringlet is better because I can pull it out and let it kind of dry. Especially with it being so cold, they will definitely fall. So I I always leave about 1 to 2 inches of my hair out from it so that it's not curly all the way down to the end, just like that. You guys get the idea, and my hair is so dark you can't really see it, but I just do all the pieces of my hair, not very long, let them fall as they will. Perfect. And then I will just go through, do everything. I don't do anything different for the top. My bangs, I just do a little bit smaller pieces so that it looks more curly and fun, but everything is basically the same. Okay, so my hair is done. We just have it curled and down. Makeup, done. Then we have this sweater, which I got from TJ Maxx, and it's a cropped sweater. It's black and like a beige oatmeal color. And the back has this like crisscross detail, but it doesn't tie anywhere, which I really like because then I don't have to worry about it untying. Then we have jeans and booties. These are dark wash high-waisted jeans from Celebrity Pink, and these booties are from Target. So cute. Make sure you guys are subscribed and have your notifications on so you don't miss any of our New York videos, as well as the vlog coming up for today when we go see the Rockettes and do everything today. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.